Hey, crypto family. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin's flash crash and why it's been declining the past couple of days. So, his first article is by Coindesk and it says why Bitcoin tumbled below 8K. Well, they had a guy here they interviewed, David Nage, principal at the Los Angeles based money manager Arca Funds, where he discussed his views on this week's price drop and whether price volatility in cryptocurrencies might turn off big investors. So, some big things he said in this interview. He said, with Bitcoin, where there's potentially a drop, obviously you can see it as a potential to buy. So again, he believes Bitcoin is an asset akin to the future pointing equities like Netflix and Amazon. And he says, we're not in the business of price predictions, but if supply continues to get cut in half and demand continues to rise, classical economics show the price increases. And that's something too you have to keep in mind is the price increasing because again, we do have the Bitcoin halving coming up May 15th of 2020. That's going to decrease supply even more, and that's just going to keep increasing demand. And again, as Bitcoin goes on and as more people continue to hold it, there's going to be less and less supply. So that's something to keep in mind. And then he also says, looking at the technical chart of Bitcoin, we've been seeing a squeeze in the descending triangle, the Bitcoin price. And that's something I mentioned in my chart as well. And he says, with the recent disappointing launch of Backed, it's clear there's an overall negative macro sentiment in the market. So, of course, those combining things do provide some reason as to why Bitcoin has been declining. But again, use this as buying opportunities, not investment advice, just my opinion. But there are a lot of people using this as to their advantage. And actually, this next article here shows you that. So, next article says Whale sends 10 million USDT to the exchange to buy the dip. And you can see this whale alert here that someone transferred $10 million USD from Tether to Poloniex, the cryptocurrency exchange. And it says yesterday's Coinbase stablecoin USDC also minted another 25 million, which will likely be injected into the market as well. The minting set off the whale alert bot. And it also says down here, it says, oftentimes the strategy of whales is simple: liquidate BTC through major sells to create a cascading effect throughout the entire market. As more and more people panic sell, the price drops and the whales buy the dip. However, this current dump has also been heightened by uncertainty surrounding Backed and the sudden drop in Bitcoin's hash rate. So that's something I mentioned in my videos. The declining hash rate, again, is because mining profitability right now. It's not very profitable to mine Bitcoin. Therefore, people are turning off their miners because they're really losing money instead of gaining it if they're mining it right now. So some couple of reasons why. And again, to take advantage, because a lot of people are starting to take advantage of this dip. And definitely, I do recommend doing that if you're thinking about maybe buying half now and half on a further dip. But again, not investment advice, just my opinion. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment, and please subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, thanks for watching.